Hey guys, how's it going? How to migrate TikTok content to other platforms. Migrating TikTok content to other platforms involves repurposing your videos while ensuring that they align with unique uh, requirements and audience preferences from each platform. First, download your TikTok videos without watermark. Click your profile icon at the bottom right, and then go ahead and click your video. Click the three dots under the middle right here at the bottom, and you're gonna be able to click save video, and you're gonna be able to save your video to your basically to your gallery or album. Or you can use third-party tools like you can go back to your screen and use Snaptic or Musically down, okay, to download or copy the link. Go right here to TikTok, click the three dots, copy the link, and then go to the Snaptic and paste the link and download it without watermark, right? And next, edit for specific platforms, right? If you're using Instagram, you need to use Reels for short videos. So you can click the plus button and click Reels, and then post the reel to your platform, right? And as for YouTube, you can go ahead for YouTube as long as you have the same size frame and the basically content. You can click the plus button from here and basically paste, and under that, of course, 60 seconds, you're gonna be able to post it as a short to your YouTube. And for Facebook, the same thing, right? Stories or Reel or Pinterest or Snapchat. Okay, and basically make sure that you optimize for another platforms. If you're using YouTube Shorts, for example, you can use other algorithms, like go to your Google and use red tag, right, for keywords. Or sorry, not red tag, yeah, type YouTube keywords, okay, and to use the YouTube keyword for increasing your views. The same goes for Instagram, right? You can erase Instagram and add hashtags, right? Or not keywords, hashtag. The same goes for other platforms like Snapchat and basically Pinterest, okay? And make sure that you keep it raw, funny, and engaging for raw audience. And basically, that's it. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.